Click on the link below to get price. The Mounto Water Damage Restoration Combo Package is an impressive solution tailored for professionals dealing with water damage restoration. This package includes 10 air movers and 2 air scrubbers, providing a comprehensive approach to drying and purifying the affected areas. The air movers are robust and designed with high-velocity airflow, enabling them to effectively accelerate the drying process. With adjustable speeds, users can customize airflow based on specific requirements, ensuring optimized drying for various surfaces, whether it's carpets, hardwood floors, or walls. The lightweight design and ergonomic handles make maneuverability a breeze, allowing for quick setup and repositioning as needed. The inclusion of the air scrubbers elevates this package's usability. They work in tandem with the air movers, filtering out harmful particles and odors from the air. Equipped with HEPA filters, these scrubbers capture 97% of particles, including mold spores and allergens, making them essential for ensuring a healthy indoor environment post-restoration. The noise levels are surprisingly low, making the units suitable for residential settings without disturbing occupants. One of the standout features is the stackable design of the air movers, which facilitates easy storage and transportation, a crucial factor for restoration professionals who often work in varied locations. The durable construction ensures longevity, even under demanding conditions, making this package a cost-effective investment. In terms of performance, the Mounto Combo Package excels in efficiency, significantly reducing drying times, which is vital in preventing further damage and mold growth. Whether for professional use or serious DIY enthusiasts, the combination of high airflow, filtration efficiency, and user-friendly design makes this package a top choice in the restoration market. Overall, the Mounto Water Damage Restoration Combo Package proves to be a reliable and effective solution, combining power, efficiency, and convenience, making it an invaluable asset for anyone involved in water damage restoration. Highly recommended for its performance and value.